All right, so today we're removing the factory plastic shield off of the 8-inch entertainment system, and we're upgrading it to a screen protector that I picked up on Amazon. Comes right off. Boom. Looking sharp. This is the one that I picked up on Amazon. Looks like it comes as a 3-pack. Interestingly, hopefully I won't need all 3 of them. One should be enough, but it is for Amazon Fire 8-inch. There's different models here, but this is an 8-inch Mitsubishi Outlander entertainment screen, so should fit just fine. So as we unbox this thing, basically remove the packaging in a barbaric way, and then there come 3 different screen protectors. So I'm going to use one of them. It has 2 parts to it. It has part 2 and part 1 that needs to be peeled off before the application. Of course, you got to clean the screen prior to adhering this. The only thing I noticed is this is probably specifically for Kindle, that you have this opening, but that's not going to bother me. It's going to be fine, so let's get this installed. I also forgot to mention that it comes with a squeegee card and then a nice little cloth to clean your screen. Before we remove this stock screen protector here, you could see that it has kind of a rough surface to it, which has been protecting this screen for the last 3 years, but here it is. Actually, it's a very flimsy piece of plastic. That's what the original one looks like. And then we're going to use this 8-inch protector. That should work quite nicely. So I started applying the first layer, and as you peel back, you just want to make sure things are well aligned. Now this is actually, it's not made for this particular screen, but I'm leaving a little bit of gap here on top and a little bit over here too, so it's somewhat centered on the screen. All right, and then we continue to peel that bottom layer off, and as that is happening, you're supposed to use this card that they attach to help to work all the air bubbles out as you go. And it's hard to do it with having a hand holding a phone and then trying to work this, but I'm doing this for you guys, for your viewing enjoyment. So here is that, making sure that all the air bubbles are gone. We may have to peel some things. Now obviously I can do this on this layer because it has that protective layer on there, so let me work out all the bubbles and then we're going to peel this second layer off. All right, so the first layer is on. No air bubbles, so far so good. And now we're just going to grab this second layer, just like with your phone protector or your iPad or whatever. Comes right off. Boom. Looking sharp. Actually has a nice little sheen to it. We'll see what it does in the sunlight. And this is what it looks like in the daytime. So pretty sharp. One thing I noticed though, I got used to having that factory film on and it had a blue edge right around it, so it made it look bigger, so it seems like the screen looks a bit smaller this time around. So, but not too bad, still really responsive and no issues with that whatsoever. So I highly recommend this type of screen protector for your infotainment system. This Jelly Bean, the little hole already came with the screen protector, but I just wanted to show you that any 8-inch screen protector will work. I have it centered best I could to my liking. There is a small spot I need to follow through. There's a little piece of hair or something trapped in there. You can see that little horizontal piece and this one, so I'll have to get a card wrapped in a towel and work these little bubbles out. But the rest of that installation I'm pretty happy with, so good stuff. Try that if you're looking for a screen protector. Amazon, it's cheap, pack of 3 for like $9.99, and they have about 5 or 6 different brands that are selling the same thing, so go for it If you have an 8-inch entertainment system, go ahead and protect the screen so you're not scratching it with your nasty fingernails. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.